Automatic buy sell signal indicator. In live market, it will indicate calls like a signal. After 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give the calls with the entry point, target and stop loss. Through this entry, you can do your intraday trading like manual trading and auto trading, both are possible. For plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today it's March 17 Monday market we are watching. In 1 minute of market open, the buy call came, buy at 48,325. That straight white line from green candle. That white line is the entry line. Above line are target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily this chart will analyze the candle movement. Once the candle breakout happen, in live market it will give the calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, so green color candle. Until the call last, the green color candle only will come. After the sell call came means the red color candle will open. So like this, whenever the trend changes, whenever the market movement, market trend changes, you will get the calls. So today in 1 minute of market open, the first call came, buy call came at 48,325. First target is 445. It's a 120 point first target range. In 5 minute of market open, 9:15 to 9:20, it's like just a 5-minute momentum. It successfully break out the first target range. Like this call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.